So you're trying to figure out how many main runners or furring strips that you need to cover a 1,000 square foot room. So if you have a room that's 25 by 40 and it's 1,000 square feet, and you need to figure out the main runners or furring strips. So the number that you are going to need is your spacing and then the length of your furring strips or main runners or what have you. And then what you're going to need to do is multiply those two numbers. So 4 times 12 equals 48. And then if you divide the square footage by 48, you will get 20.833333. So that is going to be the number of pieces that you're going to need. So you're going to round that number up, and that's going to give you 21 pieces if you are spaced at 4 foot on center. So if you are going to be spaced at 2 foot on center and your furring strips or main runners, what have you, are going to be at 12 feet, and you can change this to whatever length that your furring strips are, if they're 10 feet, 9 feet, 8 feet, whatever. You just need to multiply the spacing. 20, that'd be 2 feet times the length of whatever you're installing. That'll give you 24. So again, you're going to need to take your square footage and divide it by that number, and we've got 1,000 divided by 24. That's going to give you 41.666666666. So we're going to round that number up to 42. So it's going to be 42 pieces if you are 2 foot on center. Now, say that you need to do spacing that's going to be 16 on center. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to convert that over to a decimal. So you are going to take your 16 and divide it by 12, because there's 12 inches in a foot. That is going to give you 1.33333. So you are going to take your spacing, which is going to be 1.33, and multiply it times the length of your furring strip or main runner, 1.33 times 12. Let's go over here, 1.33 times 12. That is going to give us 15.96. And we're going to do the same thing we did on the previous ones. We're going to take our square footage, 1,000 square feet. We are going to divide it by 15.96. 1,000 divided by 15.96 equals 62.66. So we come up with 62.66, and we are going to round that up to 63 pieces. So for 16 on center, we are going to need, oops, I'm sorry, that would be 63 pieces. So for 4 foot spacing, we're looking at 21 pieces. For 2 foot on center, we're looking at 42. And then if we change down to 16 inches on center, we have to change it into a decimal, and we are going to come up with 63 pieces. And you also want to make sure that if you are going to have ends that you have to cut off of it, that you want to put in a factor for waste, so that you will not be short when you are installing your furring strips in this room. There you have it.